Are you looking for a move-in ready home in northern New Jersey? Well, you are going to definitely want to check out this one at 117 Avenue B in Haledon, New Jersey. This home is ready to move in. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath. Has 2 family rooms, a huge kitchen. I can't wait to take you on the tour with me. So come on, let's go. Here we are outside of this beautiful home located in Haledon, New Jersey. So wonderfully landscaped. I love the lemonade porch at the front. You have a great yard. You have a 2-car garage here that you can use for storage or for your vehicles. And the siding is newer, the roof is newer. Everything is really well maintained meticulously on this home. So this is Avenue B here. You can see that the homes are very, very nice and well manicured as well. And they're kind of further apart, which is nice. You're not right up against your neighbor. And now you have a really nice setup here on this quiet street. So let's take a walk inside. As you enter here, there's 2 ways to go on this home. You can go this way into the formal living room and dining room, or you can go this way. We're gonna go this way first. Here you have a beautiful double door closet, which is ideal for coats and storage. You have a tile entryway with this really nice tile here that I love. Central air throughout the home. There's a powder room here, which has been redone in the last few years. And then on the first level here, you have an office or a playroom. There's no closet in this room, so technically it's not a bedroom, but there is a closet right here outside of the room. So you can do what you like with that. So that's on the first level. It's a perfect home office setup if you do work from home. On this side, you have your family room, which is nice and spacious. I love the bright lights that come through the windows and the sliding door. And then it goes right into the kitchen. You have a beautiful open floor plan, which is ideal for entertaining. You have an island here with cabinets underneath, stainless steel appliances, hardwood cabinetry, lots of cabinets throughout. And this is an eat-in kitchen, so you can put a nice sized table right in the center there for you to enjoy your meals. Here in the formal dining room and formal living room with your bay window. It's huge, so you could really make this room beautiful. Under the carpets is hardwood floors, so you could easily replace the carpet and take it up and refinish the floors if you'd like, or leave them as is. The floors have never been even walked on, so they're in perfect condition. And let's head upstairs. Unfinished basement down here where your washer and dryer is located. You can easily finish this space if you wanted to. And then in this room, there are really nice huge closets that you could use for storage or a wine cellar. And then this way is going to be your 2-car garage. Ready for your cars. Here is your Trex deck here and yard. Love this deck that it's right off of the kitchen and family room, so you can entertain really nicely. A nice yard and a shed as well. And then underneath the deck, you also have a little patio. Here's the back of the home. It has been meticulously maintained, so really you just need to move in, unpack your boxes, and start enjoying your summer. Thank you so much for coming on the tour with me of this beautiful home in Haledon, New Jersey. It has everything you need to move right in. It's so comfortable in here and really a beautiful, meticulously maintained home. So if you are looking for a home and you want additional details about this one or to schedule a private tour, please let us know right away. My name is Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group. Remember, who you work with matters. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend or family member that you know that's looking for a home in northern New Jersey. We'll see you on the next one.